I'll show you how you can add music to shorts on laptop. On your YouTube studio, you want to go ahead and go to content. On content, pick on your video and or your shorts. It's the same process. For example, here I want to do videos. I'm just going to click this one. On here, you want to do editor. On editor, you will see that there's going to be an editor like this now. If you want to add music, you want to go to audio. On audio, you want to pick on any one of this music that's going to appear in a couple of seconds here. Let it load for a second. Now you can see once you have loaded, pick any one of these music. There's a ton of selection here that you can pick from. For example, I want to add Look Busy here. Let's give it a listen. Now, if I want to add it, you want to go ahead and just tap on app like this. And then you can see now the music will play here. Now, if you go to the timeline here, you can see the music is going to be playing all the way through the video. So of course, we're going to keep it there. If you want to crop it, you can just drag and drop on the ends there and then adjust it to when you want the music to play. After that's done, that's it. Now you can just go back and then the music will be added into your videos and or your shorts.